Okay, fourth question. Which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference and write 3 more terms. Question number 1 is 2, 4, 8, 16. Correct? And so on. What we need to find out? We need to check. Okay? We need to find out common difference. D1 is equal to, what is the common difference formula? A2 minus A1. D1 is equal to A2 minus A1. This is equal to, what is A2 value? 4 minus 2. This is equal to 2. D1 is equal to 2. Then second difference, D2 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to 8 minus 4. A1, A2, A3, A4. This is equal to, what is the value? 4. D2 is equal to 4. Then what is D3 formula? A4 minus A3. What is fourth term? 16 minus 8. 16 minus 8 is 8. D1 is not equal to D2 is not equal to D3. That means the common differences between two consecutive numbers are different. So it is not in AP. This sequence is not in AP. Understood? This is the first answer. This is not in AP. One applied question. What is the question here? If 2x x plus 10 3x plus 2 are in AP, find the value of x. This is application level question. If they have given 3 values which are in AP, then there is one formula. उसके वास्ते एक फॉर्मूला है. 3 values ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ. What is the formula? You have to take this one as A, this one as B, this one as C. We know that arithmetic mean is equal to B is equal to A plus C divided by 2. What is the formula? A plus C divided by 2. This is the formula for arithmetic mean. If they given 3 terms, only 3 terms, ये apply हो जाएगा. 4 terms ही बरला, 5 terms ही बरला. Only for 3 terms. What is the formula? B is equal to A plus C divided by 2. Then what is A value here? What is A? 2x. What is B? What is C? 3x plus 2. Then what we need to find out? X value. We know that what is B? What is B? B is equal to A plus C divided by 2. What is B value? X plus 10 is equal to what is A? 2x. What is C? 3x plus 2 whole divided by 2. Division 2, it will become what? Multiplication 2. 2 multiplication means bracket. 2 multiplication x plus 10 is equal to 2x plus 3x 5x plus 2. Correct? 2 into x 2x plus 2 into 10 20 is equal to 5x plus 2. Correct? Okay. Next, then plus 2x it will become what? Minus 2x. Plus 2 it will become what? Minus 2. 20 minus 2. Numbers separate. Then 5x minus 2x. Correct? Plus 2x it will become what? Minus 2x. Plus 2 minus 2. 20 minus 2 18 is equal to 5 minus 2 3x into 3. It will become what? Divide. 3 into x means is nothing but what? 3x. Into 3 it will become divided by 3. 18 divided by 3 is equal to x. 3 ones are 3 6 are. Therefore x is equal to 6. This is the solution. Understood? Wait ma. Okay. The next question is 2 5 by 2 3 7 by 2. We need to check whether it is in AP or not. If it is in AP, what we need to find out? 3 more terms. Correct? Okay. Now what is the D1 formula? D1 is equal to A2 minus A1. What is A2 here? 5 divided by 2 minus A1 is 2 divided by 1. What is the LCM? 2. Then 1 2s are 2. 2 1s are 2. 5 1s are 5. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4, 1 divided by 2. Therefore, D1 is equal to 1 by 2. Then we need to find out D2. What is the formula for D2? A3 minus A2. What is the third term? 3 minus, what is the second term? 5 divided by 2. 3 is nothing but what? 3 divided by 1. Then this is equal to 1 and 2 LCM 2. 1 2s are 2. 2 1s are 2. 3 2s are 6. 5 1s are 5. 6 minus 5 1 divided by 2. Then D3 is equal to A4 minus A3. Fourth term is 7 divided by 2 minus 3 divided by 1. Cross multiplication or LCM is 2. 7 1s are 7. 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6 is 1 by 2. Therefore, D1 is equal to D2 is equal to D3. Therefore, it is in AP. If it is in AP, what we need to find out? 3 more terms. 3 more terms. We are having A1, A2, A3, A4. What we need to find out? A5, A6, A7. A5, A6, A7. What is A5? A5 is equal to A plus 4D. What is A? First term. 2 plus 4. What is D value? 1 by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are. This is equal to 2 plus 2, 4. A5 is equal to 4. Then what we need to find out? A6. A6 is equal to formula A plus 5D. 1 kami D. One kami D. This is equal to what is A value? 2 plus 5 into D value 1 by 2. This is equal to 2 plus 5 1s are 5 divided by 2 divided by 1. Cross multiply. 2 2s are 4 plus 5 1s are 5. 2 1s are 4 plus 5 divided by A6 value. Then what we need to find out? A7. A7 is equal to A plus 6D. A plus 6D. This is equal to what is A value? 2 plus 6 into D value 1 by 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are. Okay, this is equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to what? 5. Correct? These are the 3 more terms. Understood? Next applied question. 8x plus 4, 6x minus 2 and 2x plus 7 are in AP. What we need to find out? We need to find out x values. We know that the arithmetic mean is equal to B is equal to A plus C divided by 2. What is A? 8x plus 4. B value 6x minus 2 is equal to 8x plus 4. C value plus C 2x plus 7 whole divided by 2. division 2, it will become multiplication. 2 in bracket 6x minus 2 is equal to 8x plus 2x 10x plus 4 plus 7 11. 2 6 12x minus 2 2 4 is equal to 10x plus 11 minus 4, it will become what? Plus 4 plus 10x, it will become what? Minus 10x. 12x minus 10x is equal to 11 plus 4. 12x digapa 2x is equal to 15 into 2, it will become what? Divided by. Therefore x is equal to 15 divided by 2. This is the required solution. Understood? Next applied question. The sum of 3 terms which are in AP. The sum of 3 terms which are in AP is how much? 27. And their product is 648. What we need to find out? The 3 terms. 3 term हैं कहते हैं, उनका सम कितना होते हैं? 27. मल्टीप्लाई करें तो 648. What we need to find out? Those 3 terms. Correct? There is one simple formula. Okay? When they are asking 3 terms, you need to take those 3 terms as a minus d, a plus d. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದ? 3 ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊ, ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ಗಳು? ಲೆಟ್ ದ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ a minus d, a plus d. Understood? What we need to take? Let the 3 terms are a minus d, a plus d ಅಂತ ನಾನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು. We are assuming that those 3 terms are in AP. Yes or no? They have given that they are in AP. What we need to take? A minus d, a plus d. Correct? ಇದನ್ನೇ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. 4 terms ಅಂದ್ರೆ a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. 5 terms ಅಂದಾಗ a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 2d ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. 5 terms ಅಂದಾಗ 5 terms, 4 terms, ಈ 3 terms ನೋಡಮ್ಮ ಒಂದೊಂದು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಗೋಣ. Okay, since they have given 3 terms, the sum of 3 terms is equal to 27. What are the 3 terms? A minus d plus a plus d is equal to 27. Correct? Okay. Sum of 3 terms. 3 ಕೂಡಿಸಿದೆ. Minus d plus d cancel. A plus a plus a. 3a is equal to 27. Into 3, it will become what? Divided by. A is equal to 27 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 nines are. A is equal to 9. We got a value. What we need to find out? D value. A ಮತ್ತು D ಸಿಕ್ತಂದ್ರೆ these are the numbers. Understand? Okay. Sum is equal to 27. Product is equal to 648. ಅದನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣಂತೆ ಈಗ. Next what we need to take? Product is equal to the product of the 2 numbers. Product of the 3 numbers. Product is equal to 648. What are the 3 numbers? A minus D into a plus d into a product अंदर sum एक plus 648. Correct? Look here. A minus d into a plus d. Formula a square minus d square. ಹೌದಾ? a minus b into a plus b ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕಲಿತೆ 9th ಕ್ಕೆ. a square minus b square ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೈತೆ? a square minus d square d ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. c ಇದ್ರೆ c square ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Okay? a square minus d square. This into this is but what? A square minus d square. Okay, then what is a as it is equal to 648. We got a value. What is a value? 9. I think 9 square minus d square into 9 is equal to 648. Into 9 it will become what? Divided by 9. 9 square minus d square is equal to 648 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9 sevens are 63. Correct? 9 sevens are 63. 1 remaining 18. 9 twos are 18. Correct? Then 9 square minus d square. What is 9 square value? 81 minus d square is equal to 72. Correct? Then minus d square ikkade kalasteni. Enaಗ್ತದೆ? Plus d square. Plus 72 minus 81 minus 72 is equal to d square. Correct? Minus ಇದೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 81 minus 72 9 is equal to d square. If you remove square, what we need to add here? Root. Root 9 is equal to d. Square निकाले तो इधर बाजू root डालना चाहिए. ಇದು 8 तक निकलते square and square chapter. Understood? Root 9 value 3. 3 ಅನ್ನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 3 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 3 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 3 is equal to d. ಯಾಕೆ ತೊಂದ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ಮೈನಸ್ 3? ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್? ಓಕೆ, ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 9 ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ 9 ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್? yes or no? what we need to square? 3. ಅದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ಇದ್ರೂ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ? 9. if it is minus 3 whole square ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಆನ್ಸರ್? minus 3 whole square. 3 3s are 9. minus into minus plus 3 square का आंसर भी 9 इंच है, minus 3 9 इंच. Understood? minus 3 square value is 9 only, plus 3 square value is 9 only. So root 9 is equal to plus or minus 3. What we got? A value and D value. What is A value? 9. Therefore A is equal to 9 and D is equal to 3. One set. And A is equal to 9, D is equal to minus 3. एक तरफ प्लस 3 लेना, एक तरफ minus 3. Understood? Next, what are the terms? A minus D, A plus D. And ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡು, A minus D, A plus D. Okay, what is A value? 9 minus 3, 9 plus 3. Then here A is 9 minus 3, 9 plus minus 3. Correct? Then 9 minus 3, 6, 9, 12. Next minus into minus, plus 3, 9 minus into minus plus 3, 9 plus into minus, minus 3, 9 plus 3, 12, 9, 6. ನೋಡು 6, 9, 12 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ, 12, 9, 6 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ. Understood? Next ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸಮ್. ದೇರ್ ಸಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಸಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 27 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 27 ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಮ್ಮ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 6 plus 9 15 plus 12 ಸಮ್ ಬಂತ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ, 6 into 9 into 12 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. 12 9s are 108 into 6 8s are 48. Okay, 6 1s are 6. मल्टीप्लाई करे तो 648 आ जाएगा और सम करे तो 27. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ರೈಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಇದೇನಿ ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ, ಇದು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ವೆರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ರೈಟ್.